Hello friends, welcome to Learn Programming with AAKASH KAUSHIK. And in this video I am going to cover up the topic structure based output questions. So here is an example. This is from the Cbse board year 2010, and they have taken a structure, namely point, in which they have taken three variables of type integer x, y and z, a function step in, step out and main function. So we have to check the structure of the structure, and then we have to move on to the main function directly. Okay, in main function they have created two variables of type point, basically of type structure type point p1 with values 15, 25 and 5. So I have taken here the structure with value p1 x, y, z, p1 with values 15, 25 and 5. A second structure variable p2 with values 10, 30 and 20. So first of all we have to make a diagram, something like this, a block in which we will declare the structure variable in a vertical way and the structure elements in horizontal way, x, y, z and p1 and p2 and the values of the element accordingly. Okay, in next point they are calling the step in function with values of p1. So basically step in will be called with values of p1, and here they are taken an argument step with value 1, and we have not passed any value here. So basically the default value of step, that is 1, will be used here. If you will pass a new value, then new value will be used. If you don't pass an argument to the default variable, then default value will be used. So here value of step will be 1. Okay, so p dot x plus equal to step. Basically they are adding the value of step in x of p, and we have passed there p1. So basically x of p1 will become plus 1, 16. Now p dot y minus equal to step, so basically it will be minus 1, and at last p dot z plus equal to step, so z will become plus 1, that is 6. Okay, next function, step out function with p2 and value 4. So basically p2 will go to p and 4 will go to step. So here the value of step will be 1 because they are passing a new value to the default argument, so new value will be used in the function. Okay, so p2 x minus step, so basically 10 minus 4, it will become 6. Again p dot y plus equal to step, so basically y will be added with the value of step, that will become 34. Again z minus equal to step, so z will be decremented by the value of step, that will become 16. Okay, cout statement p1 dot x, that is 16, comma p1 dot y, that is 24, comma p1 dot z, that is 6, and then cursor will be moved here, p2 dot x 6, comma p2 dot y 34, comma p2 dot z, that is 16, and then cursor will come down. Next statement, step in function is called with values of p2 and 12. So basically step in, this function is called with values of p2 and value of step is passed from here 12. So basically p1 dot x plus step, so 6 plus 12, that will become 18. p1 dot y minus equal to step, so 34 minus 12, it will become 22, and p1 dot z plus equal to step, so 16 plus 12, it will become 28. Again p2 dot x, that is 18, comma p2 dot y, that is 22, comma p2 dot z, that is 28. So this will be our answer, and the trick to solve this question is just make a diagram, something like this, and do perform the changes whenever the changes occur throughout the program. You have to perform the same change in the variable block also. Okay, let's move on to the next question. We are taking one more example here. In this, the name of structure is my box with 3 elements: length, breadth and height. Okay, directly move on to the main function. They are taking my box with b1. Basically they are creating a variable b1 of type my box with value 10, 15 and 5. So 10, 15, 5, length, breadth and height respectively. A variable b2, I have created here b2, b3, I have created a b3, but they are not passed value of b2 or b3, so this will be blank. Okay, next is plus b1 dot height. So basically height of b1 will be incremented by 1. Dimension function is called by passing b1 as an argument. So basically this function will be called and it will print the length, m dot length, that is 10, x m dot breadth, that is 15, x m dot height, that is 6 and enter. So basically dimension function called with the value of b1. So b1 will be referred here as m and the length, breadth and height will be printed respectively. b3 equal to b1, that means the values of b1 will be copied into b3 respectively. So all the elements will be copied one by one through this statement. Next statement, plus b3 dot length. So length of b3 will be incremented by 1. It will become 11. Again dimension function is called with b3. So dimension function called with b3. So length, breadth and height of b3 will be printed. It will be 11, x, 15, x, 6 and enter. Next slide. Next statement, b2 equal to b3. So b2 will be initialized with the values of b3, 11, 15 and 6. b2 dot height plus equal to 5. So basically height of b2 will be plus 5, that will become 11. b2 dot length minus, so length will be decremented by 1, length will become 10. Dimension b2, again dimension function is called with the values of b2. That means the values of b2 will be printed 10, x, height x, so length x, 15x and 11 enter. Now question is finished. So this will be our output. So basically the trick to solve structure based question or any output based question is just make block of every variable, do execute the program in line by line manner, and effect of every statement will be reflected here in your output blocks and take the output from that one blocks. So this is all about the structure based output question, and please do like, comment and subscribe if you have liked my video, and if you have any query you can comment in the comment box and mail me at aakashkumar@gmail.com. Thank you so much guys.